and nice. I said, welcome back today with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Today we're gonna make you something really nice and beautiful one more time on the menu. Right here I got 2, 4, 6 jacket potato. I'm gonna make you some tuna jacket potato, and we're gonna have a lovely meal with it. Really nice, beautiful. First of all, we're gonna do the oven jacket potato. It's an English style. We're gonna do proper one. You guys gonna love this. So first of all, let's put on some olive oil on top of it, just like this. Nice one. A little bit of pepper, not too much. If you're giving kids, you can give them pepper. So for adults, you can do what I'm doing. Put a little pepper and then rub it up like this, using it on, or if you have a gloves. Nice one. Simple as this. Bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes to half an hour. Check it, if not, give it another 20 more minutes. Up to 45 minutes it can take. So this is the proper jacket potato oven bake, the whole English style we're gonna give you guys. So lovely recipe. And we are doing jacket potato and tuna, sweet corn, and we got some seasoning. Right over here I got some fresh thyme and some spring onion, little bit of garlic, 1 clove of garlic right here, and 1 stalk of spring onion, and few little piece of fresh thyme, half of a red pepper and half of a green pepper, 1 small white onion right here. Then so far right over here I got 2 tins of tuna. I cut it, drain off that juice of it, and leave it inside of this little bowl right here container. Beautiful one. So as you can see, this is the tuna and this is the season. We're gonna use some olive oil, ketchup, ghost pepper, a little bit of paprika, and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, and we're gonna put a pinch of a bay leaf also inside of it, and we got some sweet corn. So we're gonna I'm already turn it on. I'm gonna simply put a little bit of olive oil inside of it, roughly 2 tablespoons of olive oil inside of it. Nice one, beautiful, as you can see, looking really nice and wonderful. So what we're gonna do next, I'm gonna simply put in the fresh garlic which we just cut up a while ago. It's just 1 clove of garlic, just to bring in a little flavor inside of the pot. We're gonna hear it fry up a little bit, and then we're gonna put this fresh piece of bay leaf inside of it, and some fresh thyme. Nice one. Then you hear that popping up, spring onion, everything inside of it like this. Beautiful one. I know you guys are gonna love this one. And then you're gonna fry up this for about 3 minutes. Frying up right here is taking place. This is about 5 minutes. I give it a while ago. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply add in that beautiful tuna. Nice one. Look at that, beautiful. And we're gonna simply put a little bit of pepper. Just a pinch of half of a teaspoon of paprika inside of it. We're gonna put in some sweet corn. Nice one. A little bit all-purpose seasoning, not too much. And then some sweet ketchup, not too much ketchup, but put what you like. Beautiful, nice one. Cause the ketchup give it a nice color and a nice look. Give it a little stir and cook this for about another 5 more minutes. Looking really nice and beautiful. Almost finished now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simply give it right here. As you can see, this is ready, looking really good and nice. I'm just gonna cover it and turn off my stove and let the heat in the side of it cook it same way. Beautiful until your jacket potato ready. So enjoy the recipe. The jacket potato is finished now. They're really hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys to see how they look. So what you don't normally do when you're doing a jacket potato, let's put this one at the side and let's put this big one right here. You don't normally cut it down like this right here into half. Then I'm just gonna simply use like a piece of napkin and squeeze it up like this, that you guys can see Look at this. This is just really nice and beautiful. So if you can see this really nice one right here. Then if I put this at the side, nice one. Let's get the plate right here. Beautiful. As you can see, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna simply put this one like this right here. Nice one. And if I do another one, just like that, like this one right here. Beautiful, man. I'm telling you, I love jacket potato with tuna. That is beautiful. I'm saying don't use your hand and hold it. Try to squeeze it because it is really hot. So you have to very careful when you are doing it. Beautiful one. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simple. Nice one. So simple. So as you can see, I'm gonna simple put a piece of a butter in the inside like this. This is the English potato, jacket potato style. Nice one. This is the English style. Then what I'm gonna do next now, I'm gonna simple show you guys. Just put the tuna on top of it, really nice and beautiful, like this right here, just like this. Nice one. I know you guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. Beautiful one. Then if I get the next one and do it same way, put the tuna right on top of it like this. Nice and beautiful. Nice one. Then what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna simply put some cheese on top of it like this. Beautiful. I want to say enjoy this recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is the proper English jacket potato with cheese and butter. You know what I mean? You cook up your tuna, really nice. A lot of people, they have it with coleslaw and stuff, but I'm gonna come with another one with the coleslaw to show you guys. Beautiful recipe, as you can see right here, looking really nice, colorful, and I know you guys will love this recipe. So enjoy the recipe and please write your comments below and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Nice one. As you can see, looking really good. Beautiful. Enjoy the recipe. See you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.